Hi viewers, welcome to Math Club channel. Today's section we are going to learn about rectangle. Okay, if you are new to channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of the videos. So let me go to the section. Today we are going to see what is rectangle and the definition of rectangle and some of the properties of rectangle. First, rectangle comes under the concept called okay. There are so many shapes and one of the shape is rectangle, which we are going to see in today's section. So first let me explain what is rectangle. A rectangle looks like this. Okay, the shape of rectangle look like this, that is a four lines which are joined together are called rectangles. The proper definition of rectangle is it's a four-sided figure or shape with four right angles. I hope you know what is angles. Okay, if you are anybody wants to know what is angles means, please refer my previous video which are available in description box. Okay, in those videos I also explain what is right angle. Okay, see here, this is the shape of rectangle and these four corners inside the shape are called as right angle. Okay, right angle look like this, which are in L shape. Okay, so the definition of rectangle is a four-sided figure or shape with four right angles. If you have four right angles in between these means that is a shape called rectangle. Okay, next we can see some of the properties of rectangle. Here I have listed 5 properties. Let me explain one by one. The first property is it has two pairs of equal sides that are opposite to each other. So this is the shape of rectangle, and in the rectangle you have two horizontal and two vertical lines. Okay, these two vertical lines are called as breadth and these two horizontal line are called as length. Okay, see, these two horizontal lines are called as length, which are in equal in measure, and the two red arrow which are marked as breadth, that also is equal in measure. So the two blue arrow are equal in measure, and similarly these two red arrow are equal in measure. So these two, the in rectangle generally the opposite sides are equal. Okay, which is two length are equal and two breadth. Okay, next the second property is the four interior and exterior angles are 90 degree. 90 degree means nothing but right angle. Okay, interior means inside and exterior means outside. So interior angles, the shape of rectangle look like this, which I have marked in 4. Okay, 4 green line, that is called right angle, which are looks like L shape. Okay, so the four interior angles are also 90 degree. In rectangle, four interior angles are 90 degree and exterior angle also 90 degree. That is, exterior angle means if you extend this length and breadth means you will get one angle which are called exterior angle outside the shape. The shape of rectangle is this, and the outside shape which you got by extending the length and breadth, so that angle is also called exterior. Similarly, you can extend this four corners, so you will get four exterior angles which are 90 degree. So the second property explained that interior and exterior both angles are 90. And the third property is two diagonals are equal. Diagonal means if you draw, see here these two are horizontal line which are length. Okay, length in rectangle. So if you draw line in between these two length means those two lines are called as diagonals. That is, here I have denoted in brown color. So these two lines are diagonals and those two lines are also equal in measure for rectangle. So this is the, and the fourth property is a circle can circumscribe a rectangle, but a rectangle cannot circumscribe a circle. That is, if you have a circle means in between inside the circle you can draw one rectangle. Is that possible? Okay, but the vice versa statement, that is, inside the rectangle you cannot draw one proper circle, which is not possible. Okay, that is the fourth property, and the last fourth property is product of two adjacent sides gives the area. Product means what? Multiply. Okay, adjacent means near to next to this, nearby. Okay, gives the area. Area means inside the space between the shape. Okay, this is a rectangle. Inside the shapes are called as area. So if you want to find area means just you want to multiple the length and breadth of the rectangle, then you can easily find the area. Suppose if you want to find any park or any flat, like that, okay, any flat measurement which are in rectangle in shape, means you have to just multiple the horizontal and vertical line measurement. Okay, that is length and breadth. If you just multiple the length and breadth, means you can easily find the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is length and breadth, which is length into breadth. Okay, so I hope you understood. Today we have saw the what is rectangle and what are the properties, the 5 listed properties. So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, means please let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching. Once again, please like and subscribe my channel.